Earning a Salesforce Administrator certification is a great way to demonstrate your knowledge and skills and can open up new career opportunities and increase your earning potential. If you are planning to take the exam, here are some tips to help you prepare. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. Understand the exam format and content. The Salesforce Administrator Certification exam consists of 60 multiple-choice and true-false questions, and you will have 90 minutes to complete it. The exam covers a wide range of topics, including CRM fundamentals, user management, data management, security and access, reports, and dashboards. Make sure you are familiar with the exam objectives and the specific topics that will be covered. Review the study materials. Salesforce provides a variety of study materials to help you prepare for the certification exam. These include the Administrator Exam Guide, the Administrator Study Guide, and the Administrator Practice Exam. Review these materials to get a better understanding of the exam content and format. Practice with sample questions. In addition to the study materials provided by Salesforce, there are also many practice questions and mock exams available online. These can help you get a feel for the types of questions you will see on the exam and identify any areas where you need to focus your studies. Join a study group. Consider joining a study group or finding a study partner to help you prepare for the exam. Working with others can help keep you motivated and provide an opportunity to discuss and review the material with someone else. Take online courses. There are also many online courses and training programs available that can help you prepare for the Salesforce Administrator Certification exam. These courses often include in-depth video lectures, practice quizzes, and mock exams to help you learn the material and test your knowledge. By following these tips and putting in the time and effort to study and practice, you can increase your chances of success on the Salesforce Administrator Certification exam. Good luck! Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to get the latest videos. Good luck!